Hello children, welcome to Computer Digital Learning Platform for Grade 1. Today we are going to discuss mind map based presentation on chapter number 4, topic using a mouse. After that we are going to solve curriculum worksheet number 3. Before going to discuss the topic with the help of mind map, we shall look at the learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe the computer mouse. You will be able to identify the parts of computer mouse and explain the functions or actions of mouse and uses of mouse. My dear children, be ready with your curriculum worksheet number 3, notebook, a pencil and an eraser. Here is the mind map on topic using a mouse. Let us describe the computer mouse. A mouse looks like a real mouse. It is small in size. A mouse is an input device. It has two buttons. They are left button and right button, a scroll wheel. A mouse has a wire like a tail which is fixed to the CPU box. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. Now let us see the mouse actions or functions of mouse. First one, clicking or left click. Pressing the left mouse button once is called as clicking. This is used to select an application after you point to it. Second one is double click. Clicking the left mouse button twice quickly is called as double click. This is used to open an application after you have pointed to it. Third one is right click. Clicking the right button once is called as right click. This is used to control an application and we use right click to display the list of commands on the monitor. Fourth one is drag and drop. To move an item or object by holding the left mouse button to a new place on the screen is called dragging. Now we will see uses of mouse. A mouse helps us to draw pictures, point and select any items on the monitor and play games. Children, I hope that the description on the mind map has helped you to enhance to understand the topic. Now, based on this mind map, let us solve curriculum worksheet number 3, activity 2, answer in one word. Children, you need to read the questions and identify the answers. I have done 3 for you. First question is, a mouse is an which device? Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, that is input device. Second one, list 2 functions of a mouse. Can you guess the answer, children? Yes, the answer is clicking and double click. Third one, which mouse button do we use to display the list of commands on the monitor? The answer is right button. Similarly, you need to identify the correct answers and write them in the given blanks. I will read 3 more sentences for your reference. Fourth, what do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? Fifth, write 2 uses of a. Sixth one, what do we call pressing the mouse button once? These remaining questions you need to solve on your own. Now let's move to activity number 3. Write T for true or F for false. Children, you need to identify whether these sentences are true or false and write them in the given boxes. I have done 2 for you. First question, a mouse helps to select any item on the monitor. Children, can you guess whether this statement is true or false? Yes, it is true. Then write T in the given box. Second one, a mouse has 3 buttons. The answer is true. Similarly, you need to identify these sentences are true or false and write them in the given boxes. I will read 3 more sentences for your reference. Third one, right clicking on the desktop displays a list of options on a monitor. Fourth, the small arrow that we see on a monitor is called a stick. Fifth, a mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. These remaining questions you need to solve on your own. Let us end our session with home play. Read the summary worksheet number 3 and complete the activities 2 and 3 in the worksheet. Thank you. Bye children.